Looking for a Jain recipe to treat yourselves during special occasions or festivals? I have a very rich and flavorful one for you. So let's see the recipe of raw banana or Kacche Kele Kofta Curry. I'm going to start with pressure cooking some raw bananas. I'm going to cut it into half. I have 2 raw bananas here. There are a few points that you need to take care of while pressure cooking raw bananas. Never add them directly into the water. Place them in a bowl. Take some water in the pressure cooker. Place a ring. Make sure you pressure cook with the peels. Pressure cook the raw bananas for 4 whistles, 1 whistle on high flame and 3 whistles on low flame. Once the cooker cools down completely, open it. It's very hot, so be a little careful. Whenever you're working with raw banana and it needs to be mashed, remember to mash it while it's hot. Just in case it's become cool and you're not able to mash it, then you can just grate it to a smooth mash. Next, add in 100 grams of crumbled paneer. This will give a nice soft texture to the koftas. 1.5 tablespoons of roasted gram flour, half a teaspoon chaat masala, 3 green chillies finely chopped, coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients well. Divide the mixture into 6 equal parts. Just plain raw banana koftas can taste a little dry, so adding a little bit of paneer helps in giving a very smooth, soft texture. Let's stuff in a few pieces of cashews and raisins. You can give it an oval shape or a round shape. Make sure there are no cracks and it's a smooth ball. The koftas are shaped and ready. I've also kept some oil to heat and it's time to fry them. Make sure you fry them on medium heat till they are golden brown. Once they are uniformly golden, get them out. Just leave them like this over a tissue. Heat a tablespoon of oil, also a tablespoon of ghee, 1 bay leaf, 1 piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamoms and 3 cloves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry the whole spices for a few seconds. Finely chop half a capsicum. Saute the capsicum for a couple of minutes. A tablespoon of roasted gram flour, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Saute this for a few seconds. Next, I have a teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Fry these masalas on low heat, otherwise they're going to burn, just for about 20-30 seconds. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of curd. Stir it in vigorously. Two tomatoes, pureed and strained. Stir it in and cook this puree for at least a good 5 to 6 minutes. The moisture from the tomato puree has dried out. Let's add in salt to taste, a teaspoon of sugar, a generous sprinkle of kasuri methi and some coriander leaves. Give it a mix. Add in some water to bring it to a gravy consistency. Give it a mix. The gravy is ready. Let's add in the koftas. Give it a good mix. Reduce the flame, cover it, and let it cook for 2 minutes. This is done. Time to plate. Rich, velvety, this Jain Kacche Kele Kofta Curry can be enjoyed with some rotis or parathas. It's made with such simple ingredients that I'm sure you're going to give it a try and comment below. Do subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.